Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dazja Jordan. For those of you that are new, and for my returning kin folks, what's up? So you guys, in today's video I'm gonna show y'all how I pretty much slayed this lime green synthetic wig. Okay, so let's get into it. So first off, for this we are going to need a stocking cap. You can get this from your local beauty supply. Same with this got to be. And I'm also using some of this edge booster and a rat tail comb. One of those little you know, them things that you can cut your eyebrows with. I need to figure out the correct name for that. But anyways, also like a little band, so you know when we go ahead and melt, we got that. But you guys, I like this olive oil wig bonding gel, and of course the wig. Here is the green wig, y'all. I was just at the beauty store and I think I was picking up like some conditioner or something like that for my hair, and you know, while I'm in there, I might as well, you know, go check out the wigs. But anyways, I always come out of the hair store with more than what I need to. So yeah, prepare to see more wigs because y'all, I be buying them. Especially, I be buying them. That's all I'm gonna say. I be buying them. Okay, so you guys, first step, we are going to put on our bald cap, and we are going to cut some little slits on the ears, and we are going to poke our ears out. You know, we want this to be nice and tight and stretched and everything like that. So now we're gonna go in with our got to be glued hairspray, and we are just going to spray it right on top of the cap so that we can freeze this cap into place and it can serve as a nice clean base for our wig. You know what I'm saying? And you guys, I didn't show you the blow dryer, but I do use the blow dryer to go ahead and just make sure that this is really dry, so when you cut your stocking cap, everything just stays in place, and you know, just kind of looks good because you want to create a real good base, especially when you're gonna put on a synthetic wig. The base matters. But anyways, so we are going to jump right into cutting the excess wig cap from around our hairline. I like to cut a little bit, you know, above my hairline so that I don't get any glue or anything like that on my actual hairline, because baby, edges is a little hard to come by, you know. So what I do have, I be trying to make sure that I take care of, because I'm a firm believer that if, you know, I'm grateful for a little bit, God bless me with some more. You know, and I apply that to everything in my life, you know, even my edges. Okay, so let's just make sure that we are, you know, cutting above that hairline so that when we're done wearing wigs, we still have a hairline, you know. So now we are going to go in with that olive oil wig gel, and of course I will link everything down in the bio below, or not the bio, but you know, wherever down below. Anyways, you guys, I just go and I take the gel and I kind of just put it around the hairline. I do this even when I'm using like regular glue and stuff like that, but this olive oil wig gel really works really good when it comes to applying your synthetic wigs, especially if you're not going to be wearing them for a very long time. So yep. But then you guys, I go back in with my blow dryer, and I like for this gel to be a little tacky and stuff like that, so I just kind of go in and, you know, add a little bit of heat to it. And then I did forget to show you guys that I go in with some powder. You can use any kind of powder, face powder or whatever. Just kind of make sure it's about your skin tone, and I just go on top of the wig cap so that it just blends a whole lot better, you know. So that's what we got going on here, and I like to get from ear to ear, okay. Make sure everything is looking good, because when we melt that lace, we want it to look like scalp. We want it to look real good, you know? So you guys, if you haven't already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that like button. And if you are liking my content, please leave a comment down below. I really appreciate y'all support and y'all coming and stopping by my channel. But anyways, back into it. Y'all, I really should have you know, comb or brush this little wig out before I put it on my head, because what was I thinking? But anyways, you guys can take your, if you are doing this method, you can take the little stocking cap from around your ear, you know, and just kind of like tuck it under the hair, you know what I'm saying? Do that to both sides, because I don't know, I don't cut mine for some reason. I just like to tuck it because it still, you know, kind of holds that tightness, and I don't want to risk the back getting all, you know, loose and whatnot. But anyways, guys, we are going to go through, or not go through, but we are going to cut the excess lace and hair from around our ear. So you just really want to make sure that you are adjusting and cutting that lace, you know, to your liking, or to form from your ear to your ear. Everyone has different measurements, but you know, please make sure you measure and cut. I'm sure the lace is not perfect for everybody or anybody. It's never really perfect, you know, so make sure you adjust. That's all I'm saying. Anyways, we are going to go through and we are going to add some baby hair. Is that what we still calling them now? Baby hair, or some edges, or whatever. We're going to add it to this wig. And I don't know if y'all can see this already, but you can already see how good this this lace has melted just with the Got To Be in the olive oil gel that I just used. You can already see, like, yo, look at the front. Look, it's about to be good. Now we are going to go back in with that Got To Be spray, and we are just going to spray that part, because I really want that lace to be melted and to look as good as possible. I want my hairline to look freaking fabulous, you understand me? So that is the reason why I go back in with that Got To Be. And as you can see, I did have to repart a little bit and then go back in with that Got To Be, but I did this around every part where I was pretty much going to be adding a swoop or an edge or whatever. But again, I don't know if you guys can see this, but the lace is looking really good and very transparent. And you know, I just can't forget to add me a little sideburn, you know, in addition to your little edges and your little swoops, you know, don't forget to add your little sideburn. And then we are going to tie our edges up using an elastic band so that we can make sure our lace is melted while we add some edge booster to both sides of this wig on opposite parts. And then I'm going to use my hot comb to add a little bit of heat. I do have this on low heat, and I tested it out. I was like, let me see if this wig gonna burn or not, and to my surprise, it did not burn when I used the hot comb. So I like that, and it had things, you know, going nice and smooth for me. You know, y'all, I really should have combed this wig out before I put it on, but whatever. I've had it, you know, for quite some time. It was one of those sporadic buys when I was just in the hair store to buy shampoo. But anyways, guys, the hot comb on the wig seems to be working. So if you want to try applying, you know, heat to these new school synthetic wigs, go ahead and try, you know, but them old school ones, I wouldn't, them things gonna burn anyway. So as y'all can see, everything is melted. That lace is melted, and we are just gonna go through and kind of like just cut the hair, create us some edges or some baby hair, whatever you want to call it, whatever y'all calling it. But y'all, look, I melted it good, and I haven't even cut the actual lace part yet, so that still needs to be cut. But y'all, I was actually really surprised about how this lime green wig was turning out, but I really like it. I really like it. Okay, so after we cut the hair, we are gonna go in and just cut underneath the hair now, and we are going to cut the excess lace. If you can see it, you should be able to see it, but I know it's a little hard to see if you are watching me, but there is some lace there, and baby, it had to go. Anyways, y'all, this wig is real cute, real cute. But I would like to go ahead and remind you guys that if you are still watching and you have not already, go ahead and like and subscribe, and also comment and let me know what y'all think about this matte green synthetic wig that I picked up from the beauty supply store. Shout out to the beauty supply store around the corner from my house. Okay, always got me. But anyways, I'm gonna go back in with this wig bonding gel just so that I can make sure my edges don't go nowhere. Like the whole time I'm wearing this wig, I don't want my edges to go anywhere either, you know. And it's getting kind of hot out here in Atlanta, so making sure the edges are not sweating, curling up, or just not edging is just not an option, not out here. But anyways, y'all, in addition to your baby hairs or your swoops or whatever y'all call them these days, do not forget to add a little sideburn in there. You know, everybody needs a little sideburn, whether it's a long one, short one, you know, it don't matter, add a sideburn. And plus, actually, this wig really turned out to look really good with the sideburn, so I'm glad I was able to add that, and the hair wasn't stiff or anything like that, because Lord knows your girl needs a sideburn or two. Oh, and if you guys are still here or watching this video, or if this is your second, third, or fourth time visiting my channel and watching my content, please hit the subscribe button, the little bell on the side, the like button, and also leave a comment, even if you are just being encouraging to someone else in the comments or just me. You guys know I enjoy making content for myself because I like to watch myself. Since y'all are here, I like to share my content with y'all as well. So yeah, just let me know I'm doing a good job by liking, commenting, subscribing, and sharing. So thanks. I am really impressed by how good this synthetic wig is looking. I really like the color. I like everything about this wig. I definitely wore it for a good 48 hours just because I like black hair. But anyways, y'all, I like to try, you know, fun stuff, new stuff as well. And of course, y'all gonna be the first ones to see when I do something new and creative, because the way I see things is if I'm gonna try it, I might as well bring it to the channel. Y'all, I really like this wig. Like I've been saying, y'all, it's got me feeling like Lil' Kim back in her prime days, you feel me? Bow. But anyways, you guys, thanks so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and to also check out more of my content, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.